Hey beauties, it's your daily dose of love punch. If you're new here, punch that subscribe button so you don't miss any videos.
Glow up without spending money. Hey beauties! Have you spent so much money trying to glow up, but still feel like you're not seeing the results you want? No worries, I'm here to help you out. Today, I'm going to share some amazing tips on how you can achieve a glowing transformation without spending a single penny. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future glow up secrets. Alright, let's get started. In today's video, we'll cover 1. Appearance. Enhancing your appearance using what you already have. 2. Mindset. Boosting your inner glow and confidence. Time to shine. Your glow up starts now. Chapter 1. Appearance. Step 1. Skincare. If you want clear skin but your budget says no because those products are too expensive, don't worry. There are many ways to achieve clear skin without spending a lot of money. You can even make your own products and remedies. Let's explore how. Step 1. DIY face masks. One of the best ways to care for your skin at home is by creating your own DIY face masks using simple, natural ingredients that you may already have in your kitchen. I'm going to give you recipes, so stick around till the end. Use ingredients like honey, rice, and aloe vera to make hydrating and exfoliating masks. Honey is great for its antibacterial properties. Yogurt helps with exfoliation, and oatmeal soothes the skin. Mix them together for a nourishing treat. Sounds great, but how do you make them? Let's take a look. 1. Aloe vera and cucumber mask. This is a classic one you've probably heard about before or seen in series. Not only is cucumber good for dark circles, but you can also make a mask with it. The ingredients you need are aloe vera. Aloe vera is excellent for its hydrating and healing properties. It's particularly beneficial for soothing sunburned skin and reducing acne scars. Cucumber. Packed with antioxidants and with a high water content. Cucumbers are incredibly refreshing and great for reducing puffiness and irritation. To create this mask, blend a few slices of cucumber with 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel until you get a smooth paste. Apply it to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. This cooling mask will hydrate your skin and reduce any redness or swelling. 2. Banana and honey mask. The soft and soothing face mask. Bananas. Rich in vitamins A, B, and E. Bananas can help nourish and rejuvenate the skin. They also have a moisturizing effect, making your skin soft and supple. Honey. Combined with banana, honey adds an extra layer of moisture and helps to smooth the skin. Let me give you the instructions. Mash half a ripe banana and mix it with 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply the mask to your face and leave it on for 15 minutes before rinsing off. This mask is perfect for adding hydration and a healthy glow to your skin. 3. Korean rice mask. And saving the best for last, my ultimate favorite mask is the Korean rice mask. It brightens the skin and leaves it with a soft, smooth texture. Ingredients: you'll need 1 cup of rice and 3 cups of water. Preparation: before cooking, rinse the rice 2 to 3 times to remove impurities like dust, dirt, debris, and excess starch, all the things we don't want on our skin. Cooking: cook the rice until it's soft. You can use a rice cooker or simply boil it in a pot on the stove. Blending: once the rice is soft, pour it into a blender and blend until smooth. Add water as needed to reach your preferred consistency. Cooling: transfer the blended mixture to a bowl and let it cool down completely. Application: apply the cooled rice mask to your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse it off with water. Storage: if you have leftover mask, store it in the fridge for up to a week. This mask not only brightens the skin but also leaves it feeling soft and rejuvenated. Tip 2. Hydration is key. Great skin starts from within, and staying hydrated is one of the easiest ways to keep your skin looking its best. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps your skin stay plump, fresh, and glowing. Just keep a water bottle with you. Take sips often, and watch your skin thank you for it. Tip 3. Face massage. Boost circulation and reduce puffiness by massaging your face with your fingertips. Use upward strokes and gentle pressure to stimulate blood flow and improve your skin's appearance. Tip 4. Lip care. Exfoliate your lips using a mixture of sugar and honey. Then, hydrate them with a natural oil or a DIY lip balm made from beeswax and coconut oil. Step 2. Hair care. Tip 1. DIY hair masks. Use simple ingredients like avocado, honey, or yogurt for a nourishing hair treatment. Avocado adds moisture, honey strengthens, and yogurt soothes the scalp. Easy guide. Mash half an avocado, mix in a tablespoon of honey, or use plain yogurt. Apply the mask evenly to your hair, focusing on the ends. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Your hair will feel soft, strong, and refreshed. Tip 2. Try out different hairstyles. You can have fun with your hair by trying out different styles. If you like braids, consider box braids, French braids, Dutch braids, or even fishtail braids for a unique look. For a relaxed and playful style, the half-down, half-up hairstyle or a messy bun is a great choice. Wear your hair down with 2 small buns on top. You can also try space buns with 2 buns on either side of your head, or a top knot for a quick and easy updo. For a girly touch, add a cute bow to any of these styles to make your look even more fun and feminine. Step 3. Fashion. Tip 1. Wardrobe remix. Get creative with your existing wardrobe. Mix and match pieces you haven't worn together before. Layering can also give new life to your outfits by adding scarves, belts, or jackets. Tip 2. Accessorizing. Use accessories like scarves, hats, or even jewelry you already own to elevate your look. Sometimes, a simple accessory can make a huge difference in how an outfit feels. Tip 3. Shoes and bags. Polish your shoes to make them shine, and clean your bags with a damp cloth to freshen them up. Sometimes, a little care can make old items look new again. Tip 4. Nails. DIY manicure. Soak your nails in a mixture of warm water and lemon juice to soften cuticles. Use a homemade scrub of sugar and olive oil to exfoliate your hands and nails. Finish with a coat of clear polish or a color you have on hand. Chapter 2. Inner glow and confidence. Tip 1. Gratitude journal. Keep a gratitude journal where you write down things you're thankful for each day. Focusing on the positive aspects of your life can enhance your mood and overall outlook. Tip 2. Self-care routine. Relaxation. Dedicate time to activities that help you relax and unwind, like reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing meditation. Self-care is crucial for maintaining mental and emotional well-being. Tip 3. Exercise. Incorporate physical activity into your routine, whether it's a home workout, yoga, or a brisk walk. Exercise helps improve your mood and boosts your energy levels. Also, exercise is free so you can feel healthy, happy, and productive just by doing a few exercises. So don't forget to add this to your routine. Tip 4. Confidence building. Body language. Work on your body language to project confidence. Stand tall, make eye contact, and smile often. Your posture can influence how others perceive you and how you feel about yourself. Tip 5. Set goals. Set small, achievable goals for yourself and celebrate your successes. Accomplishing goals can build your confidence and give you a sense of achievement. That's plenty of ways to glow up without spending any money. Embrace these tips and make the most of what you already have. Remember, true beauty shines from within. And with a bit of creativity and self-care, you can enhance your glow inside and out. If you enjoyed these tips, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more glow-up secrets. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Stay fabulous and keep glowing!
Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe. For more videos, click on one of the pictures on the screen.